There are three categories: coelomates, acoelomates, and pseudocoelomates. Coelomates are animals that possess a body cavity, such as annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates, and chordates. Acoelomates are animals in which the body cavity is absent, such as platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomates are animals that possess a pseudocoelom, such as aschelminthes. A pseudocoelom is a body cavity in which the mesoderm is not lined, but rather scattered between the ectoderm and the endoderm. Some animals are also classified on the basis of segmentation. The body of some animals can be divided externally and internally into segments. Sometimes, the segments in animals have serial repetition of some organs, which is seen in earthworms. This phenomenon is known as metamerism. One of the most important features for animal classification is the presence or absence of a notochord. Some animals develop a rod-like structure on the dorsal side during embryonic development, which is known as the notochord. Animals with a notochord are called chordates, while animals without a notochord are called non-chordates. Members of phylum Porifera to echinoderms are non-chordates. We just studied how we can classify animals into different...
Okay, actually, I have told you about all this since animation is there. I just wanted to show it again. So, on the basis of coelom, as you have seen, Aschelminthes are the roundworms like Ascaris and all come under that. This all detailed phylum and everything will be coming up only. It is just basic characteristic features on which the all animals are put. So, these names of the phylum one by one, it is going to come up only. Coming to the next one is segmentation. Earthworm is the example all have seen. Okay, so earthworm is the organism which is having segments throughout their body, not only out externally but internally also. Okay, so these kind of animals are called as metamerically segmented. If the segments are throughout the body and internally also present, it is called as metamerism. Metameris. Okay, so metamers. So while some organisms are partially, as I told, like scorpions, if you talk about uh, cockroach, you will find their abdomen is having segments. So the body divisibility into segments is known as segmentation. And the last character with which they are going to end up with there are many more children, but then with this is many of the characters have come. Okay, so when we talked about chordate, I told you already, means the presence of nerve cord, notochord. What is nerve cord and notochord? The presence of spinal cord, the presence of brain, the presence of vertebral column. Okay, are the characteristic features. We call them as chordate. We all come under chordate. We have got nerve cord, we have got notochord, right? And then we have got took a lot of years to millions of years to get into chordates. So from the non-chordates and to chordate, in between there are few animals which have the chordate character but only confined to some life, their larval stage or sometime only present in their tail and all. So that's why they are not put in the chordate nor put it even in the non-chordates. They are put in between, hemichordates. Okay, so chordate, non-chordates, chordate, hemichordate, and then finally highly evolved animals, chordates. So the whole animal, like in plants, cryptogams and phanerogams, seedless and seed bearing. Same way in animals, three broader perspective. If you see, the first one is non-chordates, then comes hemichordates, then the chordates. Like that, the whole organisms are divided in animal kingdom. Okay.
The basis of some fundamental features.